My bathroom counter is out of hands with skincare stuff. As you can see, it's just a cluster. So I got this new bookcase that I'm going to organize everything, and I thought I would show you how I'm organizing all of my stuff. So it's all right here. I'm going to get rid of that plastic container that I've had forever with drawer set that I got at Walmart. So I just wanted something a little bit nicer to grab all my stuff. Progress is I moved everything over there so I could clean off this side, and this is what I need to clean. My mirror, excuse my mirror, I need to clean my bathroom, but this is my little stand right here. I got some Dollar Tree organizers to keep different things in different items. Like I have some backup stuff right here. I have my eye creams right here, and I have everyday stuff in right here. I'm not sure how I'm gonna do it. See you back in a sec. So this is the finished product. I didn't like the way some of my stuff looked with the like Dollar Tree containers that I got. So I ended up using one of them for my cotton pads. I use these almost every day. I have those masks, and then I have kind of my backup eye creams in the back with an extractor. I have my serum, some lip scrub, my lip mask, another mask back there, some skincare that I just finished using that's back there. I use those pills every night, so I have that. And if I accidentally put too much blush on in the morning, I have this in the bathroom to fix it. And this up here is basically my daily skincare kind of thing. I use my sunscreen every day. I double cleanse with the coconut oil, and then I use this snail cleanser, my toner, my eye cream. I have an essence, and then I have some more snail like a snail essence. I love this stuff. I'm going to do an updated video on that. And I've been loving my new oil-free Moisture Birch Sap moisture lotion. And then all my hair stuff for my curly hairs over here. And I just kind of have my backup eye creams with my nose strips over here. And on the side, I refresh my hair in the morning with just water, and that's my water bottle and my deodorant. And I have my face roller, and then I have another toner back here. And this is basically all the stuff that I grab for on a daily, if weekly basis. So this is how I clean it up. I hope I gave you some ideas. I'll put a link down below to, I got the bookcase for I think $20 on Amazon. There are different configurations you can put this in, so if you don't have as much space, there are different configurations that you can build it in, and I'll link that down below. And thanks. Remember to subscribe. Bye.